I forgive you on behalf of Salahuddin and his mother, on the act of involving to kill him. I'm not angry at you. I'm angry at the devil who misguiding you and misleading you to do such a horrible crime. Forgiveness is the greatest gift or charity in Islam. Allah, Almighty God, is the most forgiving and the most merciful. My nephew, God gonna forgive you because He promised in this word, He's the most forgiving, the most merciful.
I think it was something for every parent to see, and how fortunate these young men are to have such a role model and a father and a leader in a community that actually gives guidance and a path, and I think that's what we saw in this.